How to use Rork AI. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into Rork AI, which is a no-code platform that lets you design and build full-featured mobile apps. Even if you don't know how to code, we're going to explore its interface, try out some of its features, and see just how far we can get without upgrading to a paid plan. So here we are on the official website, that is rork.app. And once you've signed it, you'll land onto this clean dashboard. So you're gonna simply click on this over here at the top left. And once you do so, you'll be able to see a dashboard of, the Rork AI. So you're gonna click on sign in order to sign in. You can continue with Google. So simply click on continue with Google and select the account that you wish to associate with Rork AI. Click on continue, and once you do so, you'll be redirected to an interface like this. That is the dashboard. So down at the bottom of the homepage, you'll notice some starter suggestions, such as creating a visual novel game, make an Airbnb styled application, make an Instagram style app, make a meditation timer, create a habit tracker, build a calorie tracker, create a to-do list, design a weather dashboard, design a fitness tracker. And these are great jumping off points to help you understand what Rork AI is capable of. Now, up on the top left corner, there is a logo that doesn't seem clickable really. Like when you click on it, it doesn't really do anything. But just beside it, we have got a button labeled Create Project. So you can simply, click on toggle side button, and here we have the projects that we have created. Right now, we don't really have any project that we have created right now. So what you're gonna do is simply you'll be navigated to this interface, and here if you're not able to see this, you're gonna simply click on toggle sidebar, and that's it. So, and that triggered the interface to begin responding. So before diving further in, I decided to check out the sidebar by hitting the toggle icon. So this panel brings right back the homepage if you get lost, which is pretty intuitive layout so far. All right, now we're officially signed in and ready to start. So I'll go ahead and, go over the pricing plan first. So here is pricing plan. So you can simply click on it and you can see a simple transparent pricing plan. So the first one is Junior for $20 per month. It includes 100 messages monthly and also include code export, upgrade to Junior if you want to. Then we have the middle one, that is the very common one right now. For $50 per month, 250 messages monthly, including code export. And then we have Senior for $100 per month, 500 messages monthly, code export, upgrade to Senior if you want to. And then we have Scale 1K for $200 per month, including 1,000 messages. And here you can see it also has code export. So you can simply head over, click on upgrade to scale 1. And if you need a custom plan according to your own choice, you can simply click on contact us, contact with the team, and they're gonna give you a totally customized plan according to your needs. So it's not immediately clear whether there is a totally free plan, but we do see a note saying we have 5 free messages per day. So it looks like there is a limited use free tier. We'll see how much we can get done with those. So for this walkthrough, let's try something really simple. And so I'm going to type something like an app that gives daily horoscopes. Okay, so I'm going to type it down and then I'm going to press this over here. You can also send them a picture. There's also an option of sending picture, so you can do that as well. So just wait for the project, and after hitting send, Rork AI begin generating a full concept based on that description. And I have to say the results were pretty impressive. So here's what it gave us. It has given us a sleek modern daily horoscope application inspired by iOS and Notion aesthetics, and it include key screens such as main page for today's, like you can see that here are the data structures and everything. So it is being created right now. So you can see it is written make changes, so just wait for it to get completed. So now here you can see that this is the one that has been created. This is the application, and there are screens such as main page for today's advice. And then we have history section for viewing previous tips. You can simply click on live over here and you can connect to the development server. And you can also, favorite some tabs. There are settings for personal tweaks. There is a clean pastel themed visuals with a light mode interface. And architecture wise, it is really good. It is using Zstang for state management, async storage for data persistence, navigation via Expo router, smooth transitions and animated interactions, a mock database file with motivational quotes. It has logic to present a new code, and such as we have the horoscopes. So it has that logic that it's going to get you daily horoscopes, detailed insights such as your career, wellness, guidance. This is basically an iOS app. If you want an Android version, you can get that as well. And you can see it's pretty detailed for a single input. Rork AI definitely seems geared towards efficiency, productivity, and also while Rork AI processes that, so you can explore what else is available at the top of the screen. We have several options such as code, preview, publish, live, upgrade, integrations, and code once again if you wish to download the code. So we have over here an iOS version, an Android version, and also a web-based version. So you can click on web and also check the web application. So soon enough, the daily horoscopes app is built on screen, and you can see the today's horoscope. You can click on discover your stars, and here you can select your star. For example, I'm going to click on Virgo over here, click on continue, and now you can see that this is the daily horoscope and the application is created. That was as simple as that. You didn't really do anything. You just asked it to create an application, and the application was just created in a blink. And over here we have some features such as daily horoscopes. It has the date over here. It has the the dates of the horoscopes, and it has your planets. And then we have the daily horoscope over here. We have lucky number compatible with this person, mood, and we have the tap the card for your full reading if you want to read it. So clicking on code gives you a glimpse of the code. The source code of Rork AI has written for our app, but here's the catch. To download or export that code, you'll need to upgrade to a paid tier. Still, it's useful to view the code for reference or for learning. So you can jump back to preview if you want to interact with your app as if it were live, which is very smooth experience so far. So you can test this application in different environments such as mobile, Android, iOS, and web. So you can see that I tried it myself. You can download the Expo Go, scan the code, and boom, the application will run flawlessly. It's simple, visually clean, and delivers a new piece of horoscope every day. So if you wish to publish it, you can simply click on publish over here and the application will be published for you. So overall, Rork AI is an impressive no-code tool. Even with limited access, it's capable of generating fully functional app concepts in minutes. The design is clean, the logic is sound, and it provides a very beginner-friendly way to explore mobile app development. And that said, if you're looking to publish or download your source code, you'll likely need to upgrade to one of the paid plans. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.